So continuing to look at some more phrases that can be interpreted as mathematical expressions. 2/3 of a number is 2/3 times x, because remember of means multiply. Quarter of a number is 1/4 times x, or x divided by 4 will give you the same thing. The quotient of 5 in some number would be 5 divided by x, because to find the quotient you're doing a division. The ratio of 4 in some number would be 4 to x, but we know we can write that as a fraction, 4 over x. A number divided by 7, x over 7, x divided by 7. The quotient of a number in 2, x divided by 2. 3 more than 5 times a number. 5 times a number is 5x. To find 3 more, we add 3. 5x plus 3. 5% of a number, 0.05x. 5% is 0.05 and of means multiply. 4 less than the product of 5 and a number. 5x is our product. To find 4 less, we subtract 4. So 5x, take away 4. And triple the difference between a number and 2. So the difference between a number and 2 is x subtract 2. Triple that is 3 times x minus 2 in brackets, because we want to find the difference first. So let's practice our problem-solving steps in interpreting words into math. Wynn is 5 years older than Fathia. The sum of their ages is 17. Find their ages. First, we're going to set up a let statement. Let x represent the age of Fathia. She is younger. Express any other unknown quantities in terms of the variable. Well, Wynn is 5 years older, so x plus 5 represents the age of Wynn. Third, write an equation. Well, the sum of their age means add them. Fathia's age plus Wynn's age is 17. So x plus 5 equals 17. X plus 5 equals 17. 2x plus 5 equals 17. Subtract 5 to get 2x equal to 12. Divide by 2 to get x equal to 6. State the answer. So x plus 5 for Wynn's age is 6 plus 5, which is 11. Fathia is 6 years old and Wynn is 11 years old. So fifth, check the answer. X equals 6. X plus 5 equals 17. So 6 plus 5 does equal 17. And does this make sense? Two people could absolutely be 6 and 11 years old, and especially if we're talking about children, because the sum of their ages is relatively low, 17. An example of an unreasonable answer that we could get for this problem is if something happened and we ended up getting a negative when we solved. That should cue us that something has gone wrong. Marissa and Lang enter a fishing derby. The mass of the fish Marissa caught was 4 times the mass of Lang's fish. Their total catch was 59 kilograms. What mass of fish did each person catch? So first we're going to set up a let statement. So in the question we can figure out that Lang caught the least amount. So we're going to let x represent that, the smaller of the quantity. Because now 4 times x represents the mass of Marissa's catch, because 4 times Lang's. Write an equation. Lang's fish plus Marissa's fish has to total 59, because this was the total of their catch. So x plus 4x equals 59. 5x equals 59. Divide by 5 to get x is 11.8 kilograms. Before we state the answer, we're going to figure out the mass of Marissa's catch by taking Lang's 11.8 kilograms and multiplying it by 4 to find our 4x to get 47.2 kilograms. So Lang caught 11.8 kilograms of fish and Marissa caught an astounding 47.2 kilograms of fish. We're going to check our answer. X equals 11.8, x plus 4x, and we'll see if it equals 59. Subbing in 11.8 for x does give us an answer of 59. And does it make sense? Yes, even though it's hard to imagine catching that much fish, it is possible. And again, if we got one of their masses to be 100 kilograms or any number higher than the 59, that would be a cue that, you know, we've done something wrong. That answer would not make sense in the context of the problem. Example 3. For two consecutive integers, the sum of the smaller and twice the larger is 38. What are the two integers? So we're going to let x represent the smaller number. So then x plus 1 is going to be the next consecutive, the number after it, and the consecutive one will be bigger. We're going to write an equation. The sum of x and twice the larger one, x plus 1, equals 38. So x plus 2 times our x plus 1, twice the larger, equals 38. Clear our brackets using distributive law. X plus 2x plus 2 equals 38. 3x plus 2 equals 38. Subtract 2 from both sides to get 3x is equal to 36. Divide by 3 to get x equal to 12. Step 4, state the answer. So the numbers are 12 and 13 because remember we're looking for two consecutive numbers. We found x, which was the first one. 13 is the next one. We're going to check our answer. X equals 12, so x plus 2 times x plus 1 equals 38. Subbing in x equal to 12 does give us 38 when we follow the order of operations. And does it make sense? 12 and 13 are both integers, so absolutely it makes sense. And again, an example of an unreasonable answer would be a decimal number because integers are positive and negative whole numbers. Example 4. The length of a rectangle is 6 centimeters longer than the width. The perimeter is 60 centimeters. Find the dimensions. So a diagram is a good place to start, and we're going to let x represent the width because the length is longer. And it's longer by 6, so x plus 6 is going to represent our length. Perimeter is 2 of the length plus 2 of the width, so 2 times length plus 2 times width. Perimeter, remember, is the distance around the outside of the shape. So our perimeter equals 60, and that's 2 times the length, x plus 6, plus 2 times the width, x. Distributive law gives us 2x plus 12, and we still have our 2x. Collecting like terms, we get 60 equals 4x plus 12. Subtracting 12 from both sides gives us 48 equal to 4x. Dividing by 4 gives us x equal to 12. So we're going to check. Width equals 12, length equals 18. 2 times the length plus 2 times the width gives us 2 times 12 plus 2 times 18, which does indeed equal 60. So the length of the rectangle is 18 centimeters and the width is 12 centimeters. Example 5. Larry and Keegan ran as far as they could in 25 minutes. Larry ran 2.5 kilometers farther than Keegan, and they ran a total distance of 9.5 kilometers. How far did each one run? I'm going to give you a minute to try this question on your own, and we will take it up.